Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can trade on Bybit and Binance internationally. So you might want to do this for a number of reasons like higher withdrawal limits, more trading options, or maybe it's just not available in your country. Whatever the reason, this is going to be really simple. And the trick is you're going to use a VPN. So over here I'm using NordVPN, which you can get for cheaper using the link in the description below. So how VPNs work is they change your IP address so that your internet service provider will believe you're in that location. So you're going to open NordVPN, and from there you're going to choose what country you want to be in, where both Bybit and Binance are available. For example, Brazil. You're going to go over to Brazil and you're going to click Connect. And now when you go to bybit.com, you'll have access to the international version. Same goes for Binance. You now have full access to it. So try this for yourself, and remember, you can get NordVPN for much cheaper by using the link in the description below. Happy trading!